If you're using the DJI Mavic 3 Pro or thinking about getting one, this is a simple breakdown of what it can actually do and why it stands out. Let's go through step by step. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a professional camera drone designed for high-quality aerial videography and photography. It's built for creators who want cinematic footages and flexible shooting options in one device. The design is foldable, making it possible to carry around everywhere. Now, the most important part is its camera. The Mavic 3 Pro features a triple camera system. That means it has 3 different lenses that you can switch between depending on your shots. We have the wide angle camera. This is the main camera. It captures large scenes like landscape, buildings, and wide cinematic shots. This is your go-to for most drone footages. We have the medium telephoto camera. This one brings you closer without flying physically closer. It's perfect for isolating subjects like cars, people, or building while still keeping depth in the image. The third one is the telephoto camera. This is the long zoom lens that allows you to capture far subjects with strong detail compression, which is great for dramatic cinematic shots. All 3 cameras give you more creative control compared to standard drones. Image quality and sensor. The main camera is built with a large sensor developed in collaboration with Hasselblad. This improves color accuracy, dynamic range, and low light performance. In simple terms, it helps your footage look more natural and cinematic straight out of the camera. You also get support for high-resolution photos and 4K video recording, which is due for professional work. Now, let's talk about flying. The drone has strong stability thanks to GPS and multiple sensors around it. It helps detect obstacles in different directions, helping reduce crashes. It also has intelligent flight modes that help automate movements like tracking or orbiting a subject. The controller gives you real-time video feed from the drone. You use 2 sticks, one controls height and rotation, the other controls direction. Small movements are key. The smoother your input, the more cinematic your footage becomes. Battery and flight time. How long does this drone take to be in the air? The Mavic 3 Pro has a strong battery system that supports long flight times compared to most drones. This gives you more time to plan shots, adjust angles, and capture content without rushing. Extra batteries are always recommended for longer shoots. Now, let's talk about intelligent flight features. The drone also includes smart features like subject tracking, where it follows a movement object automatically. Return to home, which brings the drone back safely if signal is lost. Automated flight path for repeatable cinematic shots. These features make it easier for even beginners to get professional shots. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is not just a drone for flying. It's a complete aerial camera system. If you understand the cameras, use smooth movements, and plan your shot properly, you can produce cinematic quality footage with it. For more simple filming drone tutorials and practical sessions, follow me for more.